A product of France-based Dassault Aviation, the multi-role, single-engine fighter jet performed exceptionally during the 2019 Balakot operation. In an attempt to strengthen its fleet of fourth-generation fighters, the Indian Air Force, IAF, is set to acquire 24 second-hand Mirage 2000 fighters, made by Dassault Aviation. The IAF will also secure parts for its two existing squadrons of the aircraft. According to a Hindustan Times report, people in the know have said that IAF has initiated a contract worth €27 million with the manufacturer to buy the fighters, 8 of which are in ready-to-fly condition. The report also revealed that these aircraft, which will cost €1.125 million each, will soon be shipped to India in containers. The Mirage 2000 is undoubtedly one of the IAF's most versatile and deadliest aircraft, and it was first commissioned in 1985. Soon after inducting the Mirage, IAF gave it the name, Vajra, meaning lightning thunderbolt in Sanskrit. It is developed by Dassault Aviation and took its first flight in 1978 and was inducted into the French Air Force in 1984. India had placed an initial order of 36 single-seater Mirage 2000 and 4 twin-seater Mirage 2000 in 1982 as an answer to Pakistan buying United States-made F-16 fighter jets by Lockheed Martin. The Mirage 2000 played a decisive role in the 1999 War of Kargil and turned it in India's favor. In 2004, the government placed an additional order of 10 Mirage 2000 planes, taking the total tally to 50 jets. It was in 2011 that another contract was signed that saw the Mirage 2000 jets being upgraded to Mirage 2000 to 5 Mk, increasing the life of the planes, which will now serve till 2030. The Mirage 2000 is powered by a single-shaft engine called Snecma M53, making it light and simple. The plane weighs 7,500 kilograms, dry, and has a total takeoff weight of 17,000 kilograms. The fighter jet can attain a maximum speed of Mach 2.2, 2,336 kmph, and can travel 1,550 kilometers with drop tanks. It can touch a maximum height of 59,000 feet. In comparison, India's other fighter and more advanced fighter jet, the Russia-made Sukhoi Su-30 has a speed of 2,120 kmph, Mach 2, slower than the Mirage 2000 and is heavier too. This gives the Mirage 2000 an advantage in quick operations. The Mirage 2000 comes loaded with a fly-by-wire flight control system and Sextant VE130 HUD, which displays data related to flight control, navigation, target engagement, and weapon firing. The Mirage 2000 is capable of carrying laser-guided bombs, air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles. It also boasts of a Thompson CSFRDY, radar Doppler multi-target, radar onboard. Apart from India, Mirage 2000 is used by France, Egypt, United Arab Emirates, Peru, Taiwan, Greece, and Brazil.